It's too late to turn back now. We got close, but we lost somehow.
We dan
Mula terima nikah Sarifah Malia Dewi anukan Walid ulun dengan dalamnya 12 menyemuk punah.
If we can't